So here, we have, as you can see, you can create APIs as in APIs that are created in the SnapLogic platform through your traditional creating a pipeline and a task approach. And you can also create proxies, which are a way to manage APIs that are created outside SnapLogic. So in this case, I click on new proxy and I'm importing a file. In this case, the popular pet store YAML file. And the platform is pulling the information from the spec and it's populating this in this particular wizard. And I can go and edit any information that I want. I'm adding an extra tag here and I say create and exit. Now, as it's spinning, what is happening in the background is it's actually creating these endpoints and the mappings that's required for this proxy based on the specification. So if you're familiar with the Swagger pet store spec, it has different endpoints here for user, pet, and store. And for each of those endpoints within that, it also has different path parameters and routing that's available. And with this particular feature, now you can see that the proxy has been created, so have the endpoints and all the different mappings that's required to invoke those endpoints with those parameters. To demonstrate how this works, I'm just going on and adding a policy here. In this case, it's an anonymous authenticator policy, which I'm adding to the proxy. And you see these endpoints. I'm just going to demonstrate the pet endpoint. As you can see, the pet endpoint, it has various other dynamic paths and other endpoints that you can use for using the pet with the ID endpoint. And I tried one, looks like there is no match. And with trying it with pet and an ID of 10, you can see this is returning the results of that particular endpoint. Now, these mapping rules are created automatically for you. So as I'm trying a different endpoint here. This one is to find a pet by status, and trying to invoke that, you have to provide the actual value that needs to be that this particular endpoint takes in the query string. So it's change the status to available, and then you can see that it executes this particular endpoint and provides the result. So that's as easy as it gets.